Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sort your videos using TikTok's playlist feature. So you can select the plus button up here next to 90s Kid if you already created a playlist on TikTok. So if you haven't done that, you can select a video, for instance this one, and then select the three dots here. Then you are going to select add to playlist. Create playlist and create the playlist, for instance, art. Select create playlist and select add. And to add more videos to that playlist, you can select the playlist here, select the three dots and select edit playlist, and you can add videos. Or you can do it like the same as before. Select a video and then select the three dots and then add a playlist and add it to that playlist. I'm not gonna do that though, but that's basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!